Session 2, System Settings. Before starting the data entry of employees on the system, we need to go through a couple of settings that are required for different parts within the system. So, under Settings, General Settings, System Settings. We'll skip some of these settings because when we create the license, we usually do the entry for these settings to save time. However, a very important setting which must be identified in early stages. It's under calculation settings, and we need to identify the calculation month days. We have two options. Last day within the month. Selecting this option will tell the system that I want to calculate the months according to the count of days of each month. In other words, we have some months like January, which is 31 days, and February is 28 days, and other months might be 30 days. So if an employee was recruited in the middle of the month, let's say on the 15th of January, selecting this option, the system will calculate the working days starting from the 15th of January up to the 31st of January. So the employee has worked for 16 days, and the salary will be paid accordingly. However, days in month, this will specify the count of days per month. Usually some of the companies, they select 30 days. So if the employee worked for 16 days, the system will use 30 days as a calculation factor. This will be affecting the calculation of vacations, unpaid vacations will affect this, will be affected using this number. After finishing the modification, we'll hit save. Another setting which is important under companies is that we have to enter the company name and general info. So over here we enter the company's English name and Arabic name and other details, including registration number, which will be used in different reports. Email address, website, any other information over here within the system. The most important part is the registration, ID, which country, default nationality, and other information are not required. And we click on save. The system will be configured by default to accommodate different workloads and regulations within the country that the system is being applied. We will check the vacation types, which are based on the country law. The system will include by default annual vacations, personal leaves, sick, late time, unpaid vacations, maternity vacation, etc., etc., etc. Any changes on these types, please refer to a video related to identifying vacation types. The same applies to procedure types, which will include allowances and deductions, including loans, rewards, any other kind of allowances, or even procedures, non-financial procedures are included within the screen. Again, to identify a new procedure type, you need to refer to the video of identifying new procedure types. Also, within the settings, we need to go to Social Security settings. And within the last taxation, Social Security law, we need to click Edit, enter the company name, responsible person for Social Security, and click Save. Again, we have another video for Social Security details. Under Taxation, we need to enter the company tax ID, personnel responsible for taxation, tax department, company name, province, city, district. All these details will be displayed within the taxation reports. Saying that, these are the important settings when we start working on Lenvo HRM.